Yeah.
Hey, it's Jane from Travel the Cause. So just inviting you inside our shop, so follow me. We've got the huge world map, so if you get lost, you can find your way anyway by having a look at this brilliant big map. That's our cause, and of course, Spirit of Tasmania. We have the most amazing deals on Spirit of Tasmania. So up we come, and we've even got a fake little window here, just pretending we're watching the spirit depart. Come into the office here, and that's Mark, and we have the fish, and we have this beautiful view, beautiful blue sky day in Hobart. And
I wish Toby's here.
we haven't got the dog. No, Toby's not here today. He will be coming. So this is a mural that I had painted by a homeless man. Now this homeless man had a talent that I saw, and I said, come and do my wall. It would be amazing to just describe what Travel with the Cause is all about. It actually got him off the streets, and he's no longer homeless. But we do have just an example of how we are Tasmanian. We're a Tasmanian not-for-profit, non-denominational organisation, and we are passionate about what Tassie has to offer. We're the biggest seller of Spirit of Tasmania because we do make our offers cheaper than the internet. And we have, yes, a little Tassie devil down there. And we're passionate about endangered animals. So from our profits, we buy mosquito nets and lice straws. So this is just an example of a mosquito net in Africa. We sent lots of school groups to Tanzania, and of course we love enabling people to look after elephants, lion cubs, all the different types of African wildlife that you get. Here we have just an example of the Great Wall of China and Europe, lots of places. Just like a normal travel agent, we can send you anywhere. We do have the endangered turtles in Greece, a program that you can do. And our passion is for Fiji. Now in Fiji, by giving money to the landowner to go down and see Frankensuva, we were able to save 10 villages and 2,000 hectares of reef and rainforest from the Chinese loggers coming in. So including it under the reductions of emission scheme. We now have life straws also here that suck out 99.9% of the E. coli, cholera and typhoid. And so this is our little agency, and thank you for joining me today.